Are you looking to enhance your well-being, feel more energetic, improve your overall health, and achieve sustainable weight loss? A low-carb, low-sugar diet might be the answer. This dietary approach has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. This way of eating focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. It encourages the consumption of fresh vegetables, fruits, lean meats, and healthy fats. It limits added sugars and refined carbohydrates. By avoiding sugary snacks and processed foods, you can maintain stable blood sugar levels. Many people struggle with health issues caused by excess sugar and carb intake. These issues can significantly impact your quality of life. These issues include weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Reducing sugar and carbs can help manage and even prevent these conditions. By reducing these, you can improve your health. You'll likely notice increased energy levels, better mood, and even weight loss. This video will explore 11 incredibly healthy foods. These foods are not only nutritious, but also delicious and easy to incorporate into your meals. These foods are naturally low in carbs and sugar. They include leafy greens, nuts, cheese, salmon, and eggs, all of which are nutrient-dense. They are packed with essential nutrients. These nutrients support various bodily functions and contribute to overall health. Let's discover how to include them in your diet for a healthier you. By making small changes, you can enjoy a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Red meat, especially grass-fed, is a nutritional powerhouse. It is an excellent source of protein, vital for building and repairing tissues. Red meat is also rich in iron, essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Additionally, it provides vitamin B12, crucial for energy production and a healthy nervous system. For optimal health benefits, choose lean cuts of grass-fed beef. Incorporate red meat into your meals a couple of times a week. Enjoy it as a steak, in stir-fries, or as part of a hearty salad. Kale is a leafy green vegetable bursting with nutrients. This superfood is low in calories and carbohydrates. It is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale contains more vitamin C than an orange. It has more calcium than milk, promoting strong bones. Add raw kale to smoothies for a nutritional boost. Sauté it with garlic for a delicious side dish. You can also enjoy it in soups and stews. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. They are a versatile food that can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Eggs are rich in choline, which supports brain health. They are also an excellent source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. Enjoy eggs in various ways. Make scrambled eggs for a quick breakfast. Add a hard-boiled egg to your salad. You can even try a vegetable omelet for a satisfying dinner. Section 5. Crunchy and satisfying. Pecans. Pecans are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. These nuts are low in net carbs and high in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Pecans are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels. They also provide vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Enjoy a small handful of pecans as a snack. Sprinkle them over salads for a satisfying crunch. You can also add them to trail mixes for a healthy energy boost. Section 6. Creamy indulgence. Cheese. Cheese lovers, rejoice. This section is dedicated to the creamy, tangy, and utterly delightful world of cheese. Whether you prefer it sharp, mild, or somewhere in between, there's a cheese out there for everyone. Certain types of cheese can be part of a healthy diet. While cheese is often thought of as a guilty pleasure, It can actually be quite nutritious when chosen wisely. Look for cheeses lower in carbs and higher in nutrients, such as cheddar, which is rich in calcium and protein, mozzarella, which is lower in fat and calories, and brie, which offers a creamy texture and a unique flavor profile. Cheese is a good source of calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth. It also contains other important nutrients like vitamin A and B12. It also provides protein and healthy fats, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Enjoy cheese in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Add a slice of cheddar to your sandwich for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Sprinkle mozzarella over a salad to add a delicious, creamy texture without too many extra calories. You can also enjoy a small piece of brie as a snack. Its rich, creamy texture makes it a satisfying treat. For a special occasion, try a cheese fondue. It's a fun and interactive way to enjoy cheese with friends and family. Grate some cheese over your pasta for an extra layer of flavor. Cheese can elevate any dish, making it more delicious and satisfying. Section 7. Cruciferous vegetables. Nature's detoxifiers. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, are known for their health-promoting properties. They are low in carbs and calories, but packed with nutrients. These vegetables are rich in fiber, which aids digestion. They also contain antioxidants and other compounds that may help protect against certain types of cancer. Roast cruciferous vegetables for a delicious side dish. Add them to stir-fries for a nutritional boost. You can also enjoy them in soups and stews. Section 8. Conclusion. Fueling your body for optimal health. Embracing a low-carb, low-sugar lifestyle can be incredibly rewarding for your health. By reducing your intake of processed sugars and carbohydrates, you can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, improve your energy, and support your overall well-being. This approach can also aid in weight management and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating these 11 nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you'll provide your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive. Foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your immune system, enhance brain function, and promote heart health. Remember to choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. These foods are closer to their natural state and are free from added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. They provide more nutrients and are generally lower in calories, making them a better choice for maintaining a healthy weight. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for every cell in your body and helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and temperature regulation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and more if you're active or in a hot climate. Listen to your body and make gradual changes to your diet. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your eating habits accordingly. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. With commitment and consistency, you can achieve your health goals and enjoy a vibrant life. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated by setting realistic milestones. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination.